Hi, Dr. Willow here with Dr. Tiffany at Bridge Health Chiropractic. Today we're talking to our drivers, our mechanics, our weekend tinkerers. We don't know anything about cars. We're not going to pretend to, but we do know how you're oftentimes moving your body at work or during your hobby. And so these are positions that can be really irritating to the back. So we want to go over some things that you can do to mitigate risk so it doesn't turn into a big injury, and also make sure that when you're doing what you love, things aren't getting aggravated in the process. So talking specifically in the position where you're leaned over a hood, you're grabbing things, you're changing liquids, you're doing what you're doing. That is going to be called a flexion position. So it's this rotation here. We want to make sure that you are doing an equal and opposite motion once you're done in that position, ideally every 20 minutes if you're able to. So that's going to be hands on the hips and then lightly leaning back. Before there's a pinch, oftentimes there's going to be one. And if that's the case, please come see us. But leaning back with a couple rotation, or excuse me, a couple repetitions, and then also a little bit of rotating, and then elbows to knees. When you're working in that position too, I would recommend keeping soft knees. So don't let your knees get locked out.
Mm.
That can cause a lot of stress and tension in the low back. So please, please, please keep soft knees if you can. It also makes it so that you're using your hips to hinge more when you're in that position rather than just that bent forward position. That is a recipe for injuries.
Yeah, and that bent forward position where you get stuck like this and you know, like you're just not going to stretch out of that. You go get a massage, it just keeps coming back. That lets us know that you actually have a misalignment in your spine that could be causing nerve irritation, which is a subluxation, and that's what you need us to correct. And then you come in, we find the misalignment, determine whether there is nerve irritation there, and we help correct that so that your body is able to allow that joint to move like it's supposed to and take away that nerve irritation. Get you back driving, fixing, or whatever it is you're going to do with that car.
So you'll be seeing us at several car events over the course of the summer. So if you do see us, please come say hi, and we'll make sure that you are running as good as your cars are running.
Don't ask us for car advice, though. Not going to do that, just body.